When users need access to AWS resources in a different account, the standard solution is to use cross-account IAM roles. Instead of creating long-term credentials in every account, you create a role in the target account and allow trusted users or roles from another account to assume it. Here's the basic idea. Account A has the users, and account B has the resources. In account B, you create an IAM role with the permissions needed to work with those resources. Then, you define a trust policy on that role that allows principals from account A to assume it. Once the user in account A assumes the role, they get temporary security credentials and can access the resources in account B according to the permissions attached to that role. This approach is secure and scalable because you keep access centralized. You do not need to copy users, passwords, or access keys across accounts. You also get fine-grained control over what the cross-account user can do, since the role can be limited to only the specific actions and resources required. For example, if a developer in one account needs read-only access to an S3 bucket in another account, you create a role in the bucket-owning account that allows S3:get-object and S3:list bucket and trust the developer's account or a specific role there. The developer then assumes that role and works with the bucket using temporary permissions. So the answer is simple. Use cross-account AWS IAM roles and attach the permissions needed to the role. That gives users controlled access to resources in another AWS account without exposing permanent credentials.